Once you go ahead and start your restaurant app, you'd see like this. And once again, we're gonna do registration. So I'm gonna sign up here by saying best fish burger. This is actually the restaurant name. And for now, we're still doing email verification with the restaurant, and in future we'll also add more verification steps. So here I'm going to do like this, job and thebestinfo.com. So what it did over here, it actually logged in us, but it also denied us as a valid restaurant. So to be a valid restaurant, we need to submit our information to the backend. So right now I'm going to select any place over here. All right. And okay. And then we're going to go to the next one, then upload the logo. All right. So, well, it could be our logo and then cover photo like this. And then give it a restaurant title like Best Beef Burger, like that. And 8 to 9 p.m. Let's go and do submit. Okay. All right. So now, of course, this time if we try to go ahead and log in, we won't be able to log in. All right. Okay. Now, one thing we could do right now, we can go ahead and check like this. Say the bust info. It took our information, but now let's try it. So yes, we are logged in, but our status is pending. So this has to be verified from backend. Let's go and check our backend. Now, we don't have the admin panel yet, but we are working on it. So that would be soon published. Until then, we're going to go ahead and verify it manually. Now, here we'll see that the last one most probably would be the one that we have register. But if you cannot find it, you could do query over here, the email that you have typed in. All right, so let's apply. Okay, so this is the one that we tried. Okay, it's a user type is vendor, it's not a client, right? Because others are all registered as a client. If you check the user type vendor, and they could be a client. Now, because this is a restaurant, we have to verify it over here. Once again, in future, we're gonna verify it as from our admin app, which we are working. Until then, we would go our schema over here and verify manually. So Best Beef Burger, that was the shop name, and verification is pending. So here we can change it to verified, and then here we can update. All right. Okay, cool. Now if we come again and try to log in, so here let's try to log in again. Info dot. So let's log in, and here we are. So this is the actually a panel for restaurants. Now for each restaurant, they will have their own name over here and different kind of address. All right, and but it's all empty, but you get the idea. All right, so that's how you register as a restaurant. The only thing is missing over here, our admin app, which we are working and hopefully upload very soon.